to my channel, I do work for Sephora. So if you know anything about this black bag, you know it's gratis time. And this bag is heavy, y'all. Like, this bag is heavy. So as you can see, she is not open. I brought her home and I wanted to go ahead and do this hair unboxing so I can see what I got. Let's open her up so I can see what I got. All right, so I have the Pharmacy Honey Cloud. This here is a lightweight moisturizer. And I also got the Sephora Glow Vitamin C moisturizer. I got something from this hair brand, Sophie. Ooh, I got the main heat protector. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is the full size. Yay, yay. And then I also got something from Dyson. This here is a leave-in conditioner spray. Okay, I didn't get my Rare Beauty. Let me go see. Hold on. All right, it says roll bundle, but I don't know if I got it. So let's keep looking. I also got something from Josie Moran. This here is a argan oil. And then I got a I got a deluxe size way for medium hair. I got the Love Notes by Ariana Grande. It's the plush vanilla. And then I also got the Kiehl's Retinol. It's a skin renewal daily microdose serum. And then I got the Urban Decay Glow Finishing Spray. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. We got the new Miu Miu fragrance. Let me see where they put the tea at, because my Sephora friend, they put the tea on hers like in the most awkward spot. Yep, they did it to mine. I don't know why they couldn't put it on the back, but if you can see, the tea is dead smack in the front. And it smells pretty good, y'all. The bottle is cute, right? So we got that. This one I'm excited about, you all. We got the Summer Fridays daily exfoliating pads. And this here is this here comes with 30 pads. Oh, I got a new fragrance, the Dolce & Gabbana My Devotion. Again, a good size. Let me see. Oh, she cute. So where's the tea at on here? All right, so see, the tea is a good spot on here, like on the back, like, but on the front, y'all, come on. I don't even know why they put teas on this here stuff anyway, because you can't do nothing with it, even if it didn't have a tea, because you have to show proof of purchase, you know. So I don't know. And then we also got the this something turmeric glow drops. We got another way product. This here is the conditioner that goes along with the shampoo. We had so many young girls come in our store for the new Sincerely Yours. It's the cleanser. It's a hydrating cleanser. And it's like a pump. So yeah. It says gently hydrating gel. It's a gentle hydrating gel cleanser with hyaluronic acid that foams to effortlessly lift away dirt, oil, sunscreen, and makeup without stripping and over drying the skin. Hold on. I got a NARS foundation. I got medium deep. Let me see what shade I picked. I already had one of these, so I think I picked a lighter shade just to mix it. I don't know. But yeah, I got that. Bumble Styling Oil. And then I got the new Milk Kush Mascara. I don't want to open it because, you know, once you open it, they dry out fast. We got this hair serum. This is a new brand at our store. It says your skin is our planet. We got that. The Estee Lauder. I don't know who I got this for. Let me see. This is a light shade. Who did I get this for? this for somebody, but I don't remember. So yeah, I got that. And then we got one of the new Westman Atelier highlighters. I got the shade Nectar. So this is the highlighter. Yeah, I don't know, but I am really enjoying cream products. You hear me? Like cream blushes. I'm really loving cream products, you all. Then we got a Lawless lip gloss. Something watermelon. Then last but not least, y'all, I'm excited for these two because I did already purchase the I already purchased this Fifi.
Look at her sweater.
Oh, she cute. Oh. So I got a lipstick. I'm going to return my stuff because I don't need to. Ended up picking. Well, I don't think I ended up picking this. I think they picked it for us. Because I don't think I would have picked this color shade. But I'm going to make it do what it do, okay? I'm going to go ahead and return mine. And use what I got. Where's the tea? Okay, good. So the tea is on the back. My friend, they put her tea on the front. So mine's is on the back. All right, let's see what palette they gave us, because again, my Sephora friend got the orange palette. Yep, and that's the one that I got too. Outstanding orange. So that's the one I already got. So it's cool. I thought I would get like one of the other colors, but it's fine. I'ma enjoy what I have, because this is exactly what this is the one that I had purchased. So yeah, here's the palette. Outstanding orange. So yeah, that's the one I already have, but I'll show you what it looks like. So where did they put the tea at on here? All right, so here's the tea. Now see, the tea is at a good spot. So yeah, this is the one that I had. This is the one that I had purchased myself anyway. So I actually got what I wanted. So yeah, I'm happy with what I got. But the only thing is I didn't get my roll bundle. So I'm gonna have to go to work and find out why I didn't get it. Okay. So I'm going to ask about that tomorrow. But yeah, I got some good stuff, y'all. Some really good stuff. So yeah, that was everything I got. So yeah, y'all, that was everything I got in my gratis for the month of September. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because y'all know it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.